Hello, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to be showing you some abandoned locations in West Virginia that you can visit legally. Now for our first location, you may have guessed it, we have the TNT Zone of Point Pleasant. This is an old munitions storage and factory area located outside of Point Pleasant, West Virginia. It is now a wildlife management area, and you can come and visit it as you please, walking around the nature and looking in the old bunkers here. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll catch a sight of Mothman. Now for our next location, we have the Central Station Tunnel, one of many tunnels on the North Bend Rail Trail that you can now hike through and visit. This is one of my favorites because it is so out of the way and so long that you will probably have the whole tunnel to yourself. Speaking of tunnels, if you're looking for something a little bit more spooky, check out the Silver Run Tunnel. That is also part of the same trail. This tunnel is also located in the middle of nowhere and is rumored to be haunted by a ghostly bride. Now if you're looking for something a bit more active, you can check out the ruins of the Stiles Mansion, also known as Thornhill. While this mansion now lays in ruins, it also has a great hike up to the old ruins and lots of plaques with information on it. Next up, we have the mysterious German church in Mount Wood Park. Now this church has little information known about it, and at this point is mostly a hollow shell, but you can come out here and check it out. Please be respectful though, the cemetery behind it is still an active cemetery, and be mindful of anyone coming to pay their respects. And finally, my favorite location on this list, located in Wheeling, West Virginia, is the Mount Wood Castle. What was meant to be a home has now turned into a weird lookout/park for visitors all around. You can come and explore the ruins of the castle that was built while taking in great views of the city. Now this is just a few of the abandoned locations in West Virginia that you can legally visit. If you guys would like a part 2, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel for more urban exploration. And once again, thank you guys for watching.